The Legend of St. George. Once upon a time there was a little village on the top of a big mountain. The king and his daughter, the princess, lived in a beautiful castle near the village. There was also a big green dragon. He lived in a cave near the village. He was very bad. He wanted to eat the princess. The dragon was very hungry. He said to the princess, "I'm hungry. I'm going to eat you." "Help! Help, St. George! Help me, please! I'm afraid of dragons." And St. George arrived with his white horse, holding a sword and a shield. "Stop, bad dragon! I'm not afraid of you." And sneak, snack, the dragon was covered in blood. And from the dragon's blood a beautiful red rose was born. St. George gave this rose to the princess.